We've all been there. That looming deadline, that project we keep pushing aside. That's procrastination, the habit of delaying tasks, even when we know it's not in our best interest. It's a common human experience, often fueled by fear, overwhelm, or a lack of clarity. But the good news is, procrastination is a habit that can be broken. Overcoming procrastination can reduce stress, boost productivity, and lead to a greater sense of accomplishment. Let's explore some practical strategies to help you conquer procrastination and unlock your full potential. This isn't about becoming a productivity robot, but about finding a sustainable rhythm that works for you. When facing a daunting task, the hardest part is often getting started. The blank page, the empty screen, or the untouched project can seem like insurmountable obstacles. The sheer size of the project can feel paralyzing. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you see the mountain of work ahead of you. That's where the power of small beginnings comes in. By breaking down the task into smaller, more manageable pieces, you can make the process less intimidating. Instead of focusing on the entire mountain, shift your attention to the first step. This initial action, no matter how small, can set the tone for the entire journey. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Create a to-do list with specific actionable items that you can tackle one by one. Then pick the easiest or most enjoyable mini-task and start there. This could be something as simple as organizing your workspace or sorting through papers. Completing even a small step creates momentum and a sense of progress, making it easier to tackle the next one. Each small victory builds confidence and motivation. Remember, you don't have to run a marathon on the first day. It's about taking consistent, small steps that lead to bigger achievements over time. Start with a walk around the block, and you'll be surprised how far you can go. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Embrace the journey and celebrate the small beginnings that pave the way to success. Effective time management is crucial for beating procrastination. When we feel overwhelmed with too much to do, procrastination can feel like the only escape. But by implementing simple techniques, we can regain control of our time and boost productivity. One popular method is the Pomodoro technique. This involves working in focused 25-minute intervals, separated by short breaks. Another powerful technique is time blocking. Schedule specific times in your day for different tasks, treating them like important appointments. Experiment with different time management techniques to find what works best for you. The key is to create a structure that brings order to your day and minimizes feelings of overwhelm. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are abundant. Social media notifications, emails, and the lure of the internet can easily derail our focus. To create an environment conducive to productivity, it's essential to minimize these distractions. Designate a workspace that is free from clutter and visual distractions. Silence your phone or use apps that block distracting websites and apps. Let your family or roommates know when you need uninterrupted time. Remember, even small distractions can significantly impact our focus and productivity. By creating a designated workspace and minimizing interruptions, you'll find it easier to stay on track and get things done. Setting smart goals, your roadmap to success. Achieving success is not just about hard work, it's about working smartly and efficiently. Vague goals lead to vague outcomes. When our objectives are not clearly defined, we often find ourselves wandering aimlessly, unsure of our next steps. When we don't have a clear sense of what we're working towards, it's easy to lose motivation and procrastinate. This lack of direction can lead to frustration and a sense of stagnation. That's where SMART goals come in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These criteria help in creating a clear and actionable plan. For example, instead of setting a goal to write more, which is quite vague and non-specific, a SMART goal would be to write one page of my novel every morning before work for the next month. This goal is specific, measurable, and time-bound, making it easier to track progress. When setting goals, make sure they are aligned with your values and passions. This alignment ensures that you are genuinely invested in achieving them. This will provide intrinsic motivation and make the journey more enjoyable. When you are passionate about your goals, the process becomes less of a chore and more of a fulfilling endeavor. Remember, goals are not set in stone. Life is dynamic, and so should be your goals. It's okay to adjust them along the way as your priorities evolve. Flexibility in goal setting allows you to adapt to new circumstances and continue progressing towards success. The power of accountability. Accountability can be a powerful motivator. When we know someone else is counting on us, we're more likely to follow through with our commitments. Find an accountability partner, a friend, family member or colleague, and share your goals with them. Regular check-ins and progress updates can help you stay on track. Consider joining a group or online community dedicated to productivity and goal setting. There are also numerous apps designed to help you track your habits and stay accountable. Remember, accountability isn't about judgment or pressure. It's about creating a supportive environment where you feel encouraged and motivated to reach your full potential. Rewarding your progress. We all deserve a little celebration now and then. Rewarding yourself for completing tasks, no matter how small, can boost motivation and create positive reinforcement. When you achieve a goal or milestone, take some time to acknowledge your accomplishment. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, whether it's a relaxing activity, a delicious meal, or a small purchase. These rewards don't have to be extravagant. The key is to create a positive association with achieving your goals. Remember, self-care is essential for productivity. By incorporating rewards into your routine, you'll be more likely to stay motivated and avoid burnout. Overcoming fear and perfectionism. Fear of failure and perfectionism are two major culprits behind procrastination. We might avoid starting a task because we're afraid of not doing it perfectly, or we might get bogged down in endless revisions, never feeling like it's good enough. Embrace the idea that done is better than perfect. Shift your focus from striving for flawlessness to simply taking action and making progress. Remember, every successful person has faced setbacks and made mistakes. It's how we learn and grow. Challenge your inner critic and replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Focus on your progress, no matter how small, and celebrate your efforts along the way. Cultivating a proactive mindset. Procrastination often stems from a reactive mindset, where we wait for external deadlines or pressure to motivate us. This reactive approach can lead to stress and a constant feeling of being overwhelmed. To truly overcome procrastination, we need to cultivate a proactive mindset. This involves planning ahead and setting clear, achievable goals. This means taking ownership of our time and choices and actively shaping our lives rather than simply reacting to them. By doing so, we can create a sense of control and purpose in our daily activities. Start by identifying your values and priorities. Reflect on what is truly important to you and what you want to focus your energy on. What truly matters to you. Take some time to think deeply about your core values and long-term aspirations. What do you want to achieve with your time and energy? Setting clear goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Once you have a clear sense of your direction, you can start making conscious decisions that align with your goals. Break down your goals into manageable tasks and prioritize them. Remember, every day is an opportunity for a fresh start. Embrace each morning as a chance to make progress towards your goals. Embrace the power of choice and start making decisions that move you closer to your desired outcomes. Celebrate your small successes along the way as they build momentum and confidence. By consistently practicing a proactive mindset, you can transform your approach to life, reduce stress, and achieve greater fulfillment. Conclusion. Your journey to productivity starts now. Overcoming procrastination is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when you succeed and days when you struggle. But the important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Implement these strategies into your daily life and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, you have the power to break free from the chains of procrastination and unlock your full potential. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. You've got this.